Cyco Platinum Series. Cyco Platinum Series Kleanse is an additive used throughout the vegetative and flowering periods of plant growth to provide a clean rhizosphere which aids in mineral uptake. Cyco Kleanse is a unique and purposely formulated cleansing agent for use with the Cyco Platinum Series line of plant nutrients. Once per feeding week, a flush is recommended, and that is when Kleanse is best utilized. Kleanse contains natural acids that work to dissolve mineral deposits in the growing medium and on plant roots. The cleansing of the rhizosphere allows for efficient mineral uptake, increased oxygenation, and increased osmotic efficiency. Cyco Kleanse is also a source of the simple carbohydrate dextrose, which may be utilized by the latent bacteria present to increase root zone efficiency.